Hello, future engineers. There is another video in integral calculus, particularly on iterated integrals. So double integrals in this case. And in this video, there are three exercises. And of course, I assign one exercise for you to participate. So number 9, evaluate double integral of x sine of quantity x plus y dA with the region inner limits 0 to pi over 6 and the outer limits for y 0 to pi over 2. So we have volume, which is interpreted as volume because this is the height and differential area dx dy. So x sine of quantity x plus y dx dy out inner limits 0 to pi over 6, outer limits 0 to pi over 3. So this is by integration by parts because we treat x as variable first, y is constant. So it is like x sine of quantity x plus constant dx dy. So we put u be x differential v is sine of quantity x plus y. So du is dx. Then dv is sine of quantity x plus y. The integral of dv sine of x plus y dx, the integral of that is negative cosine of x plus y. So substitute, this would now be integral 0 to pi over 3 of quantity uv, so negative x cosine of quantity x plus y minus, so minus of negative, so plus integral from 0 to pi over 6, the other part of quantity cosine of x plus y, then dy. The integral 0 to pi over 6, so this would be volume integral 0 to pi over 3 of quantity negative pi over 6 cosine of quantity pi over 6 plus y minus lower limit 0 times cosine of 0. Then plus integral of cosine of quantity x plus y dy is sine of dx plus y dx is sine of quantity x plus y 0 to pi over 6, then dy. So this is now equal to, for this part here, so volume equals integral 0 to pi over 3 of negative pi over 6 cosine of quantity pi over 6 plus y, then plus sine of quantity pi over 6 plus y minus lower limit sine of 0 plus y, so minus sine of y, and then dy. So integral of cosine of pi over 6 plus y is sine of pi over 6 plus y dy is sine of y. So negative pi over 6 sine of pi over 6 plus y, then minus cosine of pi over 6 plus y, then plus cosine of y, integral of so minus integral of sine y dy is minus negative cosine y, so plus cosine y 0 to pi over 3. Integral of sine of quantity pi over 6 plus y is simply negative cosine of pi over 6 plus y, then 0 to pi over 3. Substitute, volume equals negative pi over 6 sine of pi over 6 plus pi over 3. So pi over 2 minus sine of pi over 6, because when y is 0, this is minus sine of pi over 6. Then minus quantity cosine of pi over 6 plus pi over 3 is pi over 2. Lower limit, this is 0, so minus cosine of pi over 6, then plus quantity cosine pi over 3 minus cosine of 0. Sine of pi over 2 is 1, so we have volume equals negative pi over 6, quantity 1. Sine of pi over 6 is 1 half, 1 minus 1 half, then minus quantity 0, cosine of pi over 2 is 0, then minus square root of 3 over 2, then plus quantity 1 half, cosine of pi over 3 is 1 half, then minus cosine of 0, 1. So simplifying, this is negative pi over 6 times 1 half, so negative pi over 12 plus square root of 3 over 2, then minus 1 half. So if we factor out 1 half, so the volume is 1 half quantity square root of 3 minus 1 minus pi over 12. So that's the volume. Then sketch 11, sketch the solid whose volume is given by the iterated integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 of 4 minus x minus 2y dx dy. So this is the z surface, supposedly. Then we trace the uh, YZ plane, YZ trace, the XZ trace, like that, and the Z trace. So volume equals integral of from 0 to 3, number 10, integral 0 to inner limit 0 to 2, outer limit 0 to 3. We are still in number 10. Y e to the negative xy dx dy. So we treat x as the variable first. So this is e to the u. The differential of negative xy is negative y. There is y here, so negative of e to the negative xy times negative y dy. Negative y uh, dx. So that's why this is in equal to negative of e to the e negative e to the negative xy from 0 to 2 dy. So substituting limits, that would be integral 0 to 3 of negative e to the negative 2y, and minus lower limit, so minus negative e to the 0, which is 1, so plus 1. Then finally, we can evaluate this as e to the negative 2y, then plus y from 0 to 3. E to the negative 2y over 2 plus y 0 to 3. So because there is coefficient 2 in the numerator of e, or exponent of e. So this is e to the negative 6 over 2 plus 3, then minus lower limit e to the 0, which is 1 over 2, and plus 0. So that would be e to the negative 6 over 2 plus 3, then minus 1 half. When y is 0, this is 1 over 2, then plus 0. So minus quantity 1 over 2 plus 0. So volume, therefore, is e to the negative 6 over 2 plus 5 halves. And if we factor out 1 half, so that's 1 half quantity 5 plus e to the negative 6. So cubic units. So that's the volume. Then sketch the solid whose volume is given by this iterated integral. The volume equals integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1 of quantity 4 minus x minus 2y. So we are also required to find its volume. So the technique is we have, for the base, x 0 to 1 and y is 0 to 1. So it's a square. Then this is the xz trace. We just set y0, so 4 minus x. z equals 4 minus x. So the value of z here when x is equal to 1, here 1, x is 1, 4 minus 1, that's why the height z is 3. This is the yz trace. We just set x0, so z is 4 minus 2y when y is 1 and z is 2. That's why the height there is 2. Then this is when both x and y equal to 1. So 4 minus 1 minus 2 times 1 is 1. So that's why z is 1 at this corner here. So that's the graph sketch of the graph of this solid. For the volume, so it is a truncated prism, but we will evaluate the volume by integration. So this would be integral from 0 to 1 of 4x minus x squared over 2 minus 2yx. Then lower limit 0, so everything will be 0 after the lower limit. So this is uh, integral, so minus lower limit 0, so that remains the same. So volume equals integral 0 to 1 of 4 minus 1 half minus 2y, then dy 0 to 1. 4 minus 1 half is 7 halves. Integral of 7 halves dy is 7 halves y. Then minus 2y squared over 2, so minus y squared. So that would be 7 halves y minus y squared from 0 to 1. So finally, lower limit 0, so 7 halves times 1 minus 1 square is 5 halves. So 7 halves minus 1, that would be the value, and it is 5 halves. So volume equals 5 halves cubic units. For your part, evaluate the double integral 0 to 1, 0 to 3 of e to the x plus 3y dx dy, and I want you to show that the answer is quantity e cubed minus 1 square over 3. So that's it for this video.